how to get 6 boxes on TikTok Live. So if you want to get 6 boxes on TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. And from here, you will have the live option. So you just need to simply go with the live section. But in my case, I don't have 1,000 followers, so that's why I don't have the live option. But if you have the live option, you need to go and tap on live and tap on go live, and it will take you to your live. Once you're on your TikTok live, on the bottom left you will have a guest icon. So you just need to simply go and tap on the guest, which will be on the bottom left. Once you tap on the guest, on the top right you will have the settings icon. So you need to go with the settings section, and from the settings you will have your layout, your permission settings. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go and turn off fixed layout option. After turning off your fixed layout, under your layout you'll have panel or grid section, right? So if you want to get 6 boxes, then you need to select the grid layout. So under the layout, go and select grid, and after selecting it, you will get 6 boxes on your TikTok Live. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.